Good morning, YouTube. Got a quick update for you. Morning time, just shut down all the pumps to feed the fish, and there's a couple of new corals in there. Pulsating Xenia. Got a hammer up here. Don't know if I had mentioned that before. And a colony of gorilla nipple polyps. They're not all out yet. Also got whatever the heck this thing is. Can't remember. And oh yes, there's another new inhabitant in here. Little Sailfin Tang. Unfortunately for me, I came out one morning to feed the fish, and something went crunch under my foot. Yep, had a jumper. My doggone 6-band wrasse jumped out of the doggone tank. Yep, he was pretty crispy, so he had been on the floor probably overnight. But welcome another new addition to the community. Looks like it's fitting in just fine. Minimal fighting. Pretty good deal. And a joker readily accepts meaty foods, whereas the clown tang still has yet to accept any meaty foods or even eat off of the clip. He's pretty much content just picking at the rocks. So hey, as long as he's still alive, I'm gonna try to entice him though. Probably get some garlic extreme, start hitting up some of the food with that, and see if that'll change its mind. Overall, everything's doing good except for my jumper, my 6-line wrasse. And oh yes, the calcium reactor. Just finished doing a good cleanup on it, replacing some seals. And of course, Murphy's Law would kick in, because when I was screwing the pump back on, the recirculation pump, it sprung a leak. And no matter how much I tightened it or even put Teflon tape on it, that joker does not want to seal again. So back to Home Depot I go to see if I can find some new pieces for it. And a little piece of Pasillipora there. Growing out pretty nice though. I didn't think it would survive. It's doing good. Big monster colony of polyp up here. Don't remember what kind they are. But everything's looking good. Water chemistry is pretty good. Oh, that guy fell over. I gotta pick him up. And hey, we'll keep this thing going, and as soon as I get the calcium reactor up and running, I'll shoot a video on that for you and let you know how it's doing. It is my Grinch. Green-banded starfish. This is Testarossa 101 with an update on the 125. Signing out.